Hi, my name is Gideon Townsend, and
I'm Michael
this
Feedy.
that is Michael. And we made Plants vs. Zombies for our CSSE capstone project. If you haven't played Plants vs. Zombies before, it's a game where plants fight zombies. So now I'm going to share my screen to show the ladies and gentlemen how this game works. So basically, all I'm going to do is I'm going to run main, and that puts me at this screen. Now I'm going to wait for Michael to run his main. So let's switch to Michael's view.
All right.
Switching to Michael's view. There we go.
So here we have, right, we have this kind of main screen. And, you know, you have your plants and your zombies. Right now, I'm kind of feeling like playing zombies. So I'm gonna click zombies. And right here we have our timer. Gideon has also clicked on the plants, it
I
looks
have
like.
clicked the plants button, so now I am joined on the plants team.
Yeah, so now this timer's kind of going up, and once that timer hits the end, the plants will win. If the zombies reach the end of the house, zombies will win. So zombies are a little overpowered in this game, but that's okay.
We'll balance it later.
Yeah. So I'll kind of just let him get a little bit of his economy up. Let him get some more sun. Maybe put a couple more sunflowers down. See what's up. As you can see, he's actually getting a fair amount of the sun. Uh, So a lot of the stuff in this game is made through arrays that the main will kind of run through, or lawn will run through and kind of update as they are placed. So like each of the suns, each of the sunflowers, each of the zombies and brains uh, will update as they go along. Uh, so once he kind of fills that last row of sunflowers in, I think I'll place the zombie down. So as you can see, the zombie's he's kind of slowly walking. Oh, he looks like he placed a pea shooter. Pea shooters, they shoot the zombie and then the zombie will die, unfortunately for me. But, I think maybe I'll put another one up here. Oh, and now it says a huge wave of zombies is approaching. So now I get a bunch of brains to buy zombies. So now I have a massive amount of brains. So let me just finish collecting these as they spawn. Now it's done. So let's place a lot more zombies. Putting a bunch of them down. Huge wave, if you will. A lot of them just kind of marching down, hoping to break through the defenses.
Hey, that's a lot of zombies.
Yeah, that's kind of the point. I'm trying to get your brains, man. Let me place a bunch more. This really is a huge wave. Yeah, huge wave really gives you a ton of brains to work with. I mean, at this point, it's kind of just a race against time to see if hopefully my zombies can break through before the timer runs out.
As you can see here, I'm going to place sunflower to block them, to give them a little bit of time, and they eat the sunflower. So that shows that the plants do actually die.
Oh, oh,
Oh,
oh,
he ate through.
oh!
Oh, the
I
timer
ran out of
ran
time.
out right before he was about to win. So that
So
means the plants win.
yeah, and as you can see on my screen, I have the plants won. Better luck next play again.
Let me share my screen to show that I have a victory screen. So there's the victory screen, and that shows that I won. And we can actually hit play again, and it sends us right back to the menu screen where we can restart the game. And let me show you a little bit of our code. Um, so this is our main. It's pretty short for what the game is, I think. So basically what we do is we start on the start screen, and how we're actually doing multiplayer is we're basically only sending when a zombie gets placed and where that zombie gets placed, and also the sun and brain amounts. So now that allows us to sync up the two screens with as little lag as possible. And it works pretty well, as you saw. I mean, there was very little lag through the internet. And we're actually playing on 2 separate computers right now, so that goes to show that it actually does work. So yeah, there's a little view of our controller. Basically, the game runs through lawn, the lawn function. So that actually does most of the actual computing for the game. So as you can see, it has a lot of different definitions in there. But yeah, the lawn class is the main class, and then it uses all these other classes as well to play the game. So do we have anything else to talk about, Michael?
Well, one more thing is, obviously with all these kind of moving parts, it took a lot of work to kind of get everything to run together in a way that actually worked as a game. So considering that, I think we should probably get at least a B, if not an A,
I think
for
this
this
is a
work.
95 at least.
Yeah, because I mean, there's a lot of moving parts. There's making sure each computer kind of knows which player it's supposed to be and which units it's supposed to be able to mess with, and also to make sure that like everything works on its own for just one person. And then once we get those together, we kind of have to smush them together, and then we actually get a whole game. So I think that that's worthy of a really good grade.
Yes, I agree. Um, but yeah, so hopefully, if you want to see more of the game, just let us know, and we'll be happy to. We could even play it with you if you wanted, because it's over the internet. Um, but yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.